Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
Kittiesmama.
Hi, Mama. I'm Jonah.
And I'm Noah.
And today we are doing the Play-Doh No Thumbs Challenge, which is basically just like a normal Play-Doh challenge with Shopkins, but we only choose one this time. But we don't have any thumbs, so we have to tape these. We have to tape them, even though it feels super weird.
Supposed to band-aid up your thumb whenever it gets hurt.
So now that our hands are taped, we're going to open up our Shopkins. But first I need to say that this challenge is 10 minutes long. We're only doing one round this time instead of two. And this is 10 minutes long, and at the end you guys judge who did the best. And this is very uncomfortable, so let's go. Hamless.
I got banana lady. Oh no. What is this?
And I got squid lady. No pretzel bites. Probably this one. I didn't realize how simple this one was. We need to find out what they are. I'm gonna find what mine are.
Okay, I got lipstick. And I got...
We got gelatin.
And I got gelatin.
There's silly string up there. I got broccolini. Broccoli. I don't know.
Yeah. Let's take a look-see. Yeah, he's obviously rocking broccoli because he has a guitar.
And I also got cotton candy. I'm doing the string cheese.
I'm doing the gelatin.
I'm doing Clara's cotton, or whatever her name is. Okay, starting in 3, 2, 1. Okay, what do I need? I need lipstick color. This color, perfect.
Light
Black.
yellow.
Oh, I got the black and the white. And light pink. And now, how am I supposed to open this? All I need is
Scissors.
3 colors. No, I'm using them. Where did we get all these things? These look all new. Why do these look new? Did we get new ones? Or no? Okay, I don't know. Difficulties. Success. Okay. And now I do the tube thing.
John hasn't got it open.
I have a tactic. Or I had it. You can move all the Play-Doh stuff. Hey, wait, I'm not done. What? John, oh, that's fair. No, took the scissors. Oh. Get out of there, pink. Here we go. Got all I need. Scissors. Oh, just cut it. Like, no. No, like that. Can't open this. It's difficult. I can't do it. I'm glad I got an easy one. I'm gonna use my nose. I got an easy one.
Using your nose.
Yep, my nose. Just do it. Why won't you just cut it open? Let's try this side. You're gonna fail. I am. Miserably.
You're 2.5 minutes in, and
What?
you haven't even mastered the scissors.
How am I supposed to open this?
Obviously not that way.
I'm just gonna make him have giant feet. No, I want this to look good, so No giant feet. Grab.
Don't just use the tip of the scissors. Use it further in the scissors. Probably better.
Okay. I need little feet for this guy. Right there. There we go. Bring it. Little feet down. And then put this over here. There we go! We did it! Except I can't get it out. Stick that down there. Don't play with scissors. Okay. I need just a little stringiness. Get out of the top. Oh, I got all underneath my fingernails. Get out of this. How am I supposed to get it out? Oh, and then. These colors. Oh, my thumb's popping out. My thumb's coming out. My thumb's coming out. Oh no. Okay. Let's more. Yeah. I need more. Stringiness. Okay. And now I'm gonna make a little tube to go across both sides. Okay, get out here. Get out here. Whatever, I'm making it small. Looks like hair, but whatever. And then I need three little things.
Check out Noah.
You got an easy one. It's not fair. How do you open it? Just yet. It's not fair. I don't think I can open this. Well, how could I open it? This is pain. No, Jonah, this one's different.
Tell her how you did it, Jonah.
Okay, I grabbed it right here. And I put it right here. Then I cut it open. Right here. Non-slippery stuff. Okay. These little. I don't have my stuff open. Fine then, be that way. There's one open right here.
Halfway done.
Yay! What?
He's kicking it, Emma.
Yeah! There we go. That's the tactic. Try to kick it. Do that. Push that out. There's hair on it. Tear off that hard part. Tear off the small part. Not that small. Just a little bit bigger. I need to cover up my thumbs again.
Emma's finally getting started.
Yay! Woo! Okay, I need to go against what I've always been doing. Oh, I need to tear out a little bit of this. Using black on white eyes instead of white on black. Which is oh no. Okay, silence. We can't.
How much concentration?
Yes. Much concentration. This is so hard. Okay, making little eyeballs.
4 minutes left.
Okay, that's a perfect nose right there. I haven't even started yet. Hey, I don't want that. Get off. It looks like that one guy from The Simpsons.
Art.
Yeah, I guess that. Okay. I don't remember their names. Where's the black? Where did the black go? Oh, here it is. I'm just blind. This is gonna look horrible. I don't want it to be smooth. I want it to be all lumpy. Okay. Much concentrate. Much concentrate. Make it look all lumpy. Gotta be lumpy. Gotta be extreme. How much time do we have?
How much time, honey?
Hey, man.
3 minutes. 3 minutes, yep.
Ah!
Can I go get it?
Somebody. Okay, just want a little piece of this.
Please help me.
Nope. That's part of the fun. Then fall. Okay, I'm safe.
30 seconds, Emma.
Now my thing's covered in fur. Cat fur.
Beautiful.
Jonah, yours looks just as good as it always does.
Yep, pretty proud of mine like always.
There you go, like that.
I like those
Now I've
lips.
got
The lips are
body all
perfect.
set up. Oh no, it's covered in cat fur and everything, but it's good enough. Okay. Can somebody pass
That
over
is
to the
not a
back?
good eye.
I just
2
need
minutes, Emma.
I just need a little bit of black. I need a little bit of black, Jonah.
Nope. Sabotage. Okay.
You might as well just put some eyes on it and call it done, Emma.
It doesn't have eyes. Boom! Beautiful.
Oh no.
I might not be done. Make little feet.
Yeah, that is absolutely beautiful.
Put that foot.
1 minute, 30 seconds.
Ah. Oh wait, he needs arms. Put that foot right there. Put that foot
It's just weird to not use them.
there. Get some arms. How do I do this? Okay. Just grab those pieces.
How much time?
Like that.
1 minute. I've got some battery issues going on here. Let's
That.
hope it-
And put it like that. Now it looks like she's flexing. Like this.
Okay, what else?
I need a tool. I need a tool. Tool, master tool. Put it like, put it like that. There we go. And take some of this. Okay. Ah. Beautiful. Some of this. Make it into a cylinder. I want the little thing in the. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Boom. I just need to cut it. And after that, you stick it right there.
There we go. Mine's
No,
amazing.
stay right there.
Take my tape off.
Stay.
Ours are just simple.
And take that. Take that part. Tape that part.
10 seconds.
9,
I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
7, 5, 4.
Her arm fell off.
Get it on the wheel. Just
Going off. Oh, Emma, yours is dead as usual.
So now that we are done, don't forget to comment down below and tell us who you think won, which is obviously no, I'm obviously last. But you know, thank you for watching today's Play-Doh challenge video. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow us here, and bye, YouTube. Peace out, YouTube.
See you tomorrow, YouTube.
Woo!
Take time, do what you're gonna do, and just smile. You're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and lift you off the ground. No, no. Take time, do what you're gonna do. Just smile. You're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and you will learn to fly.